Think I may be losing my mind. Oh, I already lost it. Already lost it. Damn, I may be losing my mind. Now don't tell me that I lost it. That I lost it.
Alright. Since I'm getting so close to finishing my budget BMX build, this is pretty much what we got. Today the axle nuts came in, so there's one pair. I'm getting another pair. It's gonna be blue. I spoiled the surprise anyway. And also today we got our wrist brake lines. I think these are about 12 bucks. Axle nuts are about 6. We're coming together. The only thing I'm not replacing is the frame and the forks. We got everything else: headset, stem, brakes, brake levers, grips, handlebars, seat posts, seat, wheels, bottom brackets, sprockets, cranks, pedals, brakes, pegs, valve caps, stem skins, brake chain. I said brake chain. And that's pretty much it. I already mentioned the cranks. Only thing I think I'm missing is the back brake bracket, waiting pork chop, and what else? I got something else coming. Can't think of it right now, but almost done here. I'm gonna get to painting tonight. It's pretty hot today, 90 something degrees, plus the humidity, and inside my garage don't got no AC, so keep you posted. But bike is coming right along. Oh yeah, I didn't replace the wheels. Eventually I'm gonna put Skyway wheels on this, but for now, for my budget build, get me going. My first BMX build, I'm gonna just use the wheels for now. When my next bike is done, then I'll buy the wheels. But let's go. Alright, so the bottom bracket just won't budge. Got a tool won't fit in there. I don't know what to do, so taking it to a bike shop. I wanted to do this all by myself and build it myself, but I just can't get that bottom bracket off. Probably use one of those presses to put it on. Now you're gonna need a press to pull it out. Well, off to the bike shop we go. Alright. Decided to get some help. Getting some help with my bike build. Have them finish it up here at Handlebar Cycle Bike Shop. We're in Richmond, Texas, and they are going to finish my bike. Be riding out tomorrow.